Then we will move on to primers. So for primers, you have the eyeshadow primers. Those ones form as a base for your eyeshadow. It's advisable for you to buy eyeshadow primers that are tinted. Tinted meaning it's slightly colored, either white or off-white or beige. So I have a couple of primers to show you. First of all, this is the La Pride primer. Okay, this primer is actually very good, and it's actually 2-in-1. It has the see what it looks like after you open it. This compartment is the concealer compartment, while this compartment is the eyeshadow primer compartment. So if you see how tinted it is, and when you apply it on your face, on your eyes, this is what it's going to look like. This is how an eyeshadow primer should be. It should be tinted a little bit so that whenever you put your eyeshadow color on top, it's going to be bright and it will stand out. So this other part is the concealer aspect. Okay, I also have this to show you. They are from Kiss Beauty. Okay, this is from Kiss Beauty. This is also from Kiss Beauty. I beg of you, in the name of Jesus, if we are all Christians, or in the name of Allah if you're all Muslims, if we have Muslims in here, please don't buy this product. I wasted 2,000 out of my hard-earned cash to buy this, and it's so useless. Take this from me. Run away from anything you see like this in the market. Don't buy it. It did nothing for me. See what it looks like. It's kind of tinted. See what it looks like. Then when I apply it on my hand, it goes in like this. Please don't buy it. I did not see any difference between when I used it and when I did not use an eyeshadow primer. It's just waste of money. Then of course we have this, the Milani primer. This is actually a very good, it's a face primer. Don't get it twisted. You can use your eyeshadow primer for your whole face. This cost 1,000 naira. This is 1,000. This is 1,000. Waste of money. Please don't buy it. Then this one, this La Pride goes for around 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, depending on where your location is. And this one goes for 3,000, 3,500, 4,000 naira, depending on your location. This is actually a water-based primer. If you see how it looks, see, it's water-based. It's really liquid. So when you apply it like this, make sure you also use a water-based foundation. So this is how you know a water-based product. Check in the ingredients. If you notice in the ingredient, there is absolutely nothing like meticone or dimeticone, but instead you get to see stearate, glycerine, aqua water, and the rest. So that is how you know a water-based primer. It is used mainly for water-based foundations. Then finally, I have this to show you, the Benefit Professional Primer. This is a very good primer. It sells for around 5,000, 6,000, 6,500 naira. It's actually a very good primer. This is what it looks like. And I don't have the carton here. I would have showed you how to know when something is it's silicone. This is a silicone based primer. This is what it looks like. So by the time you apply it on your face, it applies like this. You now blend it in and tap it in. It minimizes your pores and makes it look smaller, and your makeup will be flawless. Main function of primer is to stand as a barrier between your foundation and the pores of your face. So some good primers prevent oil. Some, their main function is to prevent large pores from showing on your face. It makes your foundation to be flawless, while some other primers have moisturizing purpose for those who have drier skin. So it's for you to know which primer goes well for you. There are many nice primers in the market. You have the Kiss Beauty primer, you have the MAC Prep and Prime, you have the Mary Kay primer, you also have Maybelline Baby Skin. I mean, name it, there are many good primer. LA Girl primer, most of them sells for 3,000 naira and above. If you want to have a very good primer, budget like 3,000 naira to get one. While you can as well get primers like this for 1,500, 2,000, 2,500 naira, depending on